Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're going to be working on issue 10 of Build Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. First up, we have kit number 35. And this is a quick job. Just slot the two wheel pieces together and screw them in with a 3 PS05 screw. And that is kit 35 complete. Now we put that to the side and get kit 36. So now we take the other half of the wheel we got and join these together with 3 DS02 screws. So now we have the wheel complete, but it's better when you have a tire on it that we also got in this kit. So in a few seconds for you, I'm gonna jump in a kitchen and make these a one complete wheel and tire. So in 1 second, and voila, here we have a wheel and tire in one. Now we just need the chassis and line the wheel up with the slot in the brake rotor, and we secure that with a PS08 screw. Like so, and then we just put the hubcap on, and there we have kit 36 complete. And now we have kit 37, and here we have the plastic wheel on it. That needs to go on the chassis. Like so, and that is attached with 3 DS02 screws. Like so, and that is kit number 37 complete. And now it's a big one. We have kit number 38. And when I say a big one, it's not because the stage is especially long, but because we got a big piece of the chassis, minus the missing part. But now we need the other half of the chassis, and this is gonna go like so, and that is attached with 4 DS02 screws. Like so, and that is kit number 38 complete. And that is issue number 10 complete. And as you can see, it's getting bigger. So until next time, thanks for watching.